Hello my friends, welcome back. Leanna here. Today I'm unboxing my single swag box for December. This is my very last box. I have decided to unsubscribe. I signed up for 6 months to just try it out, and I had gotten a really good discount. And so this is my last box. I decided not to renew. Not because I don't like it. I do like it. It's a nice box, but it's just time for me to check out some different things maybe, or maybe I'll just put this money away for a rainy day. Comes with a card. Says the retail value of this box is $221. It has all of the items listed along with the price of each. I also have my ear Fleek that we will open. And I have some friend mail and a coupon from Kohl's because I just grabbed what was in the mail pile, and that's in there too. So maybe we'll look at what Kohl's is trying to give me. The first thing I see in the box is the CF. This is Dr. Botanicals. It is coffee and walnut superfood renewing facial exfoliator for all skin types. I see the bunny, so that means that it's cruelty free. It also says that it's vegan and it's natural skincare. And this retails for $22. Gentle yet effective formula is packed with a cocktail of anti-inflammatory ingredients and skin smoothing fruit extracts that buff away dead skin cells to reveal a soft, radiant complexion. That's pretty cool. And it's sealed on both ends. How about that? I'm not going to open it because I don't know if I will keep that or put it in the giveaway box. And then we have Trifle Cosmetics Soft Swirl Overnight Hydrating Face Mask. Is that peppermint? Those look like peppermints. There's a bunny. It's cruelty-free and vegan. Fruit-based AHAs such as grapefruit and giant grandilla to help refine pores as well as plump skin up without irritating it. A further infusion of nourishing avocado butter ensures thirsty skins with an S are kept hydrated and luminous. This retails for $48, and it does not say, but those sure look like some form of candy cane. I'm sure that it's not. And it's all sealed up. And I sure do want to smell it. Oh, let's smell it, shall we? I want to know what it smells like. Nothing, really. Has a very, very light scent, but it's almost foaming on my hand. That's interesting. So you can leave it on all night. It doesn't say anything about washing it off in the morning. Wash off in the morning. Best used once a week and whenever skin needs extra pampering. Leanna, you just needed to keep on reading, so I guess I'm keeping that. And then we have this Banter Beauty Lavender and Flaxseed Eye Soother. It's very squishy. It retails for $24, and it is a calming restorative eye pillow that provides a spa-like experience at home. Aromatic lavender and flaxseed work to depuff, de-stress, and rejuvenate your eyes and mind. Apply as is or cool in the refrigerator to relieve tired, puffy eyes. So let's see. It smells like lavender and grass. Guess that's the flax seeds. It's very soft. doesn't have any weight to it. I would think that if it had a little bit of weight to it where it could actually maybe put just a little bit of pressure on your eyes, that would feel better, but I might actually give that a try. Stop using immediately if the eyes or skin become irritated. I wonder why that would make your eyes or skin irritated. And then we have Empower Her Beauty. This is foot lotion. Hydrating, soothing, non-greasy. It has a 12-month shelf life, and it has the Leaping Bunny on it. Empower Her. This is $32, and it says that your feet need love too. Treat them to ultimate hydration. Apply the lotion to clean feet and rub in a circular motion from the tips of the toes to the heel, and repeat as needed. And this as well is all sealed up. So I know that this will definitely go in your giveaway box because I have some foot lotion that I'm using. And then we have Kaleido. It's a blush. We have a blush. And it has a bunny. See the little bunny? Were you not focused on me? I don't know. Do it again. Then we have this blush. It's Kaleido, I don't know. Kaleido Cosmetics Euphoria blush. It's $14 and it's a luminous blush. True to Pan pigment. Lets you layer, it says. Has the bunny on it. Did I say that already? Curators of Good Vibes. It's shy. Does not want to come out the package. Join the tribe. Look at the cute little package. That's a pretty color. Is that a hot air balloon? It has a hot air balloon and some clouds. Holy cow. Couldn't get in it. See? The hot air balloon and the clouds. Felicity, I think is the shade name. It has a 12-month shelf life. I actually like that shade, so I think I will probably keep that. Put that in the keep pile. Oh my gosh. Then we have chocolate. What does that say? Meticulously sourced program. 30% cocoa, no artificial flavors, and it's a good calcium source, it says. Let's check and see how many carbs it has in it. There are 4 servings, and each serving has 16 carbs. So there you go. And this is worth $5. It says it's a premium European milk chocolate bar. Alrighty. Well, this is cool. This is a Mollie Jacobs 2022 planner and calendar. It's worth $24. I believe that I have heard of Mollie Jacobs before. That's a cute little planner. Fairly decent size to write in, and it's got some pages in the back for some notes. Well, actually, those pages are behind each month, so that's cool. I will definitely use that. It's kind of a nice size to go in my purse, so I'll keep that. And then the last item in my box is a piece of jewelry. This is Gemma Simone, And it is a Demi silver necklace and earring set valued at $52. I believe that the necklace I have on might have come from Single Swag. I can't remember. And I wasn't going to keep it, but then I decided to open it, and I really do like it. It's a nice necklace. Hopefully it won't turn. Oh, well, this is pretty. That's very matte, though. Look at how matte the stone in the necklace is. That's pretty. The earrings are interesting. That's not too bad. I don't know whether I will keep that or not. I will decide. So that's my Single Swag box for December, valued at $221. Like I said, it's my last box. I'm not canceling because I don't like the box. I'm just moving on to something different, or not moving on to anything at all, and putting the money in my pocket to spend on eye palettes because I don't have enough of those. Love yourself. Never settle. Single Swag, not just for single people. Alright, let's move on to ear Fleek. I don't normally open these, but I thought I would just throw it in case there were some of you that's noisy, that didn't know what ear Fleek is, although I'm sure that most of you do. If you watch Kimmy's boxes, you have seen her open a lot of these. I think I subscribed to this for a year. I did subscribe for a year. A year of ear Fleek was $44. I don't know why these are hard to get into. And they're hit or miss. Sometimes you get really cute earrings and sometimes you don't. They come in a little bag, and it always says that the earrings are valued at $15.99. And these are not bad. They're cute little earrings. Very cute. I would wear those. I think part of the problem why it was hit or miss for me was because you tell them what you like and what you dislike, and I think I had my likes wrong because I got some earrings that were little miniature glasses with a straw in them. I was like, no, I don't. I like longer boho type, and they do have some boho earrings. So that's my ear Fleek. I'll leave a description link in the description box for anybody that's interested in that. And then I have two cards, friend mail cards. I have one from Renee, Beauty and More with Renee, and the other one is from Gloria, Southern Mom of Boys. So let's open Renee's first. She's got some Christmas stickers on it. Super cute. It's a Christmas card. Look at how cute that is. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from our little family to yours. That's a picture of her and her son. Isn't that awesome? I love that. Thank you, Renee. Merry Christmas to you and yours as well. That's so cute. I love that. And then Gloria, I don't know what happened, but the mail was not happy or very good to your card. It has sure been abused. This is a Christmas card as well. Merry Christmas. And it has a cute gingerbread man soothing aloe and rice bran extract mask. And I'm assuming, based on the little picture there, that it probably looks like a gingerbread man. How cool is that? Spice up your holiday. I need a spicy holiday. It's got the bunny on it, so it's cruelty free. Her card says, Leanna, thank you so much for being such a good friend and supporting my channel. May your holiday be filled with nothing but joy. Your friend XOXO Gloria. Have a warm and cozy holiday with those you love. Southern Mom of Boys. Thank you so much, Gloria. I love the little gingerbread man mask. It's easy to be your friend and support your channel. I will leave Gloria's channel and Renee's channel link down in the comments below. In the description box below, not the comments. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me to watch me open my last single swag box, look at my ear Fleek earrings, and open up my friend mail. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up. It sure does help out my channel, and it sure would make my day. And hit that subscription button if you're not already subscribed. Ring that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And as usual, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, we're going to have to find out from Gloria where she got this, because you need a gingerbread man mask so that we can do some more Mask Monday lives. The people are asking for you, okay? Mama loves you, boo.